And this hook is sharp to the point where I don't really get off. At least that was the case for this first and the second fish. Number 3. Drop that rod tip down for you. I'm gonna drop that rod tip down for you. Yes, sir. Fish on. Get over here. Yes, sir. Another one bites the dust on Bill's custom jig, y'all. Once I got you, boy. You ain't going until I let you go. All right, now you can go. Good reaper.